Hello guys, welcome back to all of you. I'm here again with another website that can make you good money. Okay, this is also a kind of server website through which you can get good amount of money. And this website you will receive post to your homes, and you have to submit that information on the website. Okay, so this is the dashboard of website. Okay, so these are the letter numbers you receive through posts, and once you receive it later, you have to enter the details of that post by selecting that later. Okay, so it's a number. Okay, so this is information you have to fill up, right? Identification code, if the address was correct or not, the date of the receipt and time of the receipt, what's the postmark date, that letter, what's the transponder number here. So after adding all this information, you have to submit this letter, right? So next I'll show you how much money I have made. Okay, so this is the first, I think, okay, so this is a recent one, on 12th January, $5. So this server website will give you monthly payment, right? So I received $5, right? For the posts I received in the month of December, right? So it's not that much amount, but more you receive later, it's more you earn, right? So next I received $8 for the month in the month of December. So you can see this. Okay, this one I received $6 on 5th November, $9 on 12th October, 8th September, $14. So that's I must have done pretty amount of entry on this website. So I received $14 $6 again, $15 in the month of July. So that's good amount of money. Okay, so this is again $7 in April, $9. So actually you will earn between $10 to $15 per month, right? So that's not, it seems not a good amount of money, but you just have to spend of 5 minutes of your day if you receive letters, right? That's all. So not wasting your time, right? Okay, so it's $8, 7 years. So that's GBP, that's British pound. Okay, so that's $8 again, $7 on the 10th of December 2018. So I started working on for this website in, I think, 2018. Yeah. Again, $7 $8 $10 here. Right. Yeah. $10. Okay, so now I'll show you the dashboard of my PayPal account. So this 5, 8, 6, 9, 14, 6, 15, right? It's 7, 9, 16, 8, 7, 11, 9, $7. This one is 8, 8, 8, 7, 10, 8, 10. Okay, so it's been 3 years since I'm working for this website, and it's really paying me off. Okay, and so if you want to join this, you can just unlock the website and start working. That's best of luck. Hello guys, today I will show you another website. It's actually a server website that pays you $13 per survey. Yes, that's $13 per survey. Okay, so this is the website. This is the dashboard of the website. The next interface you get it here is this. After clicking account details, you can see this. I earned around $109 until now. Around 7 to 8 payments of $13 per survey. Yeah, the last payment I received is few days. I think it's in January, because this last mail I received is the 4th January from the PayPal that I received $13. This one. Okay, 4th January. Okay. So one thing about this website is that you don't just get disqualified once you get the survey. So that is the plus point of this website. Okay, you can see this another payment I received on 31st October. Another one is 15th October. Yes, this one. So this is my summary of PayPal account I received. Is this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right, and another one is $5 payment. So this is actually a legitimate website, survey website that pays you around $13 per survey. Okay, you can do on that amount of money. Okay, you won't get many surveys per day, but you'll definitely get at least 2 to 3 surveys per month, and that's good amount of money, and it takes only around half an hour, maybe less than that, to complete the survey. Okay, so this is good website to earn a good amount of money. Sometimes it sends you around 2 to 3 surveys per week, but sometimes it doesn't, so don't worry, but eventually you'll get that, right? And the survey is pretty easy, and as I told you earlier that once you get the survey, you just don't get disqualified. So that is the plus point of this survey website. So if you want to have this website, just click in the link in the description below and unlock the survey. Right. Okay, so that is pretty easy. Okay, so that is once again I will show you. So this is the mails I received from the PayPal that I received this around $13 per survey. Okay, so this is the 4th January, 24th August, 28th August, 15th October. So you can see this, I got 2 payments in August, 4 payments in October, and then last one is in January, so that is in 4th January. Okay, so you can do get this amount of money, and it's pretty easy, I tell you, it's really easy. Okay, if you are interested, you can go into the link in the description below and unlock the survey website. So best of luck, and thanks for watching this video.